Let's learn how to download your TikTok data. This means you will download our data information, such as your TikTok account info, chats, comments, and more. Method is same for both iOS and Android devices. Just follow my steps, and you should have no worries. Don't forget to watch the tutorial for the end so you don't miss something. Now, without wasting any more time, let us start from your starting screen. Open TikTok app. When loading finishes, go to your profile page by tapping on profile icon in bottom right corner. Once you are there, search for 3 horizontal lines which are placed in top right corner of your screen. Click its icon. When pop-up appear, tap on Settings and Privacy option. This will lead you to your Settings and Privacy page. We are interested in this account section. More importantly, account option. So hit that option to go there. After that, you will be redirected to your account info and data page. From now on, you could even get it yourself. Click on this Download Your Data option. Now wait for page to load. From here, we will process and download account data and info. First, you will have to request your data from TikTok before actually downloading it. You can do that by selecting which data or info you want to download. TikTok set to download all data by its default, but you can choose yourself if you just want to delete one thing you need. After that, you will also need to select file format you want to download. You can choose between text and JSON. Text is set by default. When you finish with everything, hit the Done button and then tap on red Request Data button. Now this will lead you to Download Data page. You will see that your request will be set on pending. That means you will have to wait few hours at most before you can actually download actual data. Don't worry, it can also take even less of time than few hours. After that, TikTok will send you a message that says your data is ready and you can download it and you are finished. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.